x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. The equation above has one real solution. What is x? At this moment I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I will solve it now. I can solve it, for example, this way. I will factorize x squared in the first two terms, and I will factorize 2 in second two terms. My next step will be, I notice that I have x minus 2 in two terms, so x minus 2 in the first term, this is times x squared. In the second term, x minus 2 is times 2. So I'll write it as x minus 2 times x squared plus 2. And this is equal 0. Now I multiply two things to get 0. So x minus 2 is 0, or x squared plus 2 is 0. So x will be equal to 2, or x squared is equal to negative 2. For this equation, there are no real solutions. When I square a number, real number, I have a positive number. So for this equation, I will have two imaginary solutions. I'll just solve them as well. So x will be equal to plus or minus square root of negative 2. If I wanted to solve it, this will be plus or minus. Negative 2 is just 2 times negative 1. Now, using properties of square root, this will be plus or minus square root of 2 times square root of negative 1. So this will be plus or minus square root of 2 times I. And I have two imaginary solutions. So the only real solution for this problem is x is equal to 2. This is my real solution. This solution could be found as well by trial and error and substituting factors of this number minus 4. So we could just check plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. And then we would find the same answer, x is 2. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to check my other math video problems and consider liking, sharing and subscribing.